The Mulberry Phosphate Museum presents Full Steam Ahead. This is a complimentary video to accompany our Full Steam Ahead boxes. This video is part of our Winter 2021 playlist that takes a look at all things winter, and this episode is Blizzard in a Jar. Now, once again, in Florida, we don't have blizzards. Blizzards are snowstorms that have sustained winds of 35 miles an hour, reduce visibility, and last for hours. We want to see if we can recreate these conditions in a jar at home. From the box, you'll need glitter, oil in a jar, our paint mixture, and Alka-Seltzer. The first step is to apply the paint mixture into the oil in the jar. Take a look. The oil is going to settle towards the bottom. In a blizzard, snow is not the only thing picked up from the ground, but also dirt and debris. That's going to be represented by our glitter. Go ahead and apply that to our oil mixture. You'll notice at first the glitter sets on top, and then will sink to the bottom and settle on top of our paint layer. Take 1 tablet of Alka-Seltzer and break it up into small pieces and sprinkle into our oil mixture. Once that's done, place the lid on top of your mixture and observe the results. Our Alka-Seltzer is serving as the wind in our blizzard in a jar, picking up the snow from the bottom and blowing it along with the debris, reducing our visibility. It looks so great, and you can see it from all different angles as Alka-Seltzer reacts to the water mixed in with the paint. I hope you enjoy your blizzard in a jar. Once the Alka-Seltzer has all been used, you can add another one once the layers have settled again, and enjoy your blizzard in a jar.